3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go!
Hello, people of Earth. This is DanLockhart of the Honda Valkyrie DanLockhart YouTube channel. And I have on my HJC helmet. It was the helmet that I first started with when I started riding my Valkyrie 4 years ago. Actually going to be 5 years now. And the reason that I went with the Cena was because it had built-in Bluetooth and the camera in the top. But anyway, my HJC helmet is pretty cool. It's got a lot of nice features that I like. It's modular, and you know, you could just open up the face when you need some air, and it's got this drop down sunglass on the inside, which is pretty cool. You just hit this little button up here and the sunglass visor retracts. Voila, there you have it. Modular, I like it. Whoop. Whoop. So today I decided I was going to add the CARDO PACKTALK Bold package onto the helmet. Whenever anybody comes up and if they want to go for a ride with me, I'll be able to communicate with them in my intercom system. So I'm going to do the box opening presentation and show you all the stuff inside this package here. Okay, well, this is all the contents of the box. Instruction guide, the actual PACKTALK Bold unit itself, the helmet attachment, USB cord, other attachments for the ear pads on the inside of the helmet, and looks like some more ear pad attachments and a boom microphone. That's everything that's in the PACKTALK Bold package. Let's talk a little bit about why I wanted to get the PACKTALK Bold package on this helmet anyway. Well, what does it do for me? Apparently, with the app added to my phone, I'll be able to intercom this helmet with my Cena helmet. The other thing that it does is it gives you all the things that the Cena helmet has built into it, like Bluetooth connection to your cell phone so you can listen to music. You can also add, you know, through the application, GPS directions and things like that. It has FM stereo built into it. So those are the reasons why I wanted to add PACKTALK Bold to this HJC helmet. The HJC helmet seems like it's a little bit heavier than my Cena helmet, maybe because of the modular components, but it's a pretty nice helmet anyway. It's got some pretty good ventilation on it, and I've always been comfortable whenever I've used it. Anyway, let's get on with the installation. I'm probably going to go ahead and do that. I'll include a link for CARDO's installation video that they do, which is going to be 1,000 times better than anything I could do with this particular helmet. So I've watched that video a couple times, and essentially what I'm going to do, I'll just explain my process to you, is I'm going to pull the pads out of the helmet, and then I'm going to apply their Velcro attachments into the chin pad area where the earpieces are supposed to go. And then you Velcro those earpieces in to the helmet, and you pull the top of the padding of the down out of the top of the helmet, and it runs a wire across the top, and that wire acts as an FM antenna in addition to connecting the other side of the ear pad. After that, then I'm going to attach the boom microphone that comes down in front, and that should be it. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and do the installation, and then I'll show you what we look like after we get it done. Oh, by the way, you may have noticed I have my Scumbag Steve hat on. If you're not aware of who Scumbag Steve is, Google it. I bought this hat, it's a knockoff off of eBay. The original Scumbag Steve hat, I saw the original one that has the MLB logo on it. The original one I saw being auctioned off for starting at $2,600. So this is just a cheap knockoff off of eBay. Scumbag Steve, check it out. Okay, I opened up these other two packages here, and these are all the contents of those two packages. We have some alcohol swabs for cleaning the helmet. This is a mounting plate that goes on the outside of the helmet if the unit itself can't attach to the helmet. This is the CARDO PACKTALK BOLD unit. Not sure if this is a microphone piece, but these two are the pads that go inside the helmet that have Velcro attachments to them that ultimately you connect the JBL speakers to these pads on the inside of the helmet, and the boom microphone. I think that's it. So I'm ready to get started on the installation. Like I said, I'm not going to show you the installation. They've got one out there. I'll include that link in the description. Okay, people of Earth, this is Scumbag Dan, and I'm back after my helmet installation on my HJC helmet with my CARDO PACKTALK BOLD unit, and I had a few piece parts left over, and I'll explain to you what they are right now. This is a mic connection for full face helmet. It goes on the inside of the full face, but since this is a modular, it has a mic, a boom mic that extends out into the bottom of the helmet. And you can see I was successful in getting the PACKTALK BOLD mounted on the inside of the shell of the helmet, and if I wouldn't have been able to do that there, I would have had to use this adhesive plate. But I was successful in getting it on the rim of the helmet, and I had to move it once because I didn't have enough cord for the mic to come around to the center of my mouth. So I had to slide it up a little bit and then get that boom right where it should be. This part here is the average everyday USB. Unfortunately, a micro connection instead of the USB-C. And then initially I had these additional ear pads in there, in the cheek pads, but it kind of made things a little bit too tight. So I went back in and I pulled these Velcro cheek pads out. They give you those if the recesses in your helmet are too deep, then you might need to extend out where the speakers go in the helmet. Anyway, I've got it successfully installed now, and that works. I paired it and I did the obligatory firmware update, and everything's looking good now. So yeah, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the helmet back on. All right, this is where we started. Helmet on, visors are down. The only difference now is I've got my PACKTALK CARDO right here. And I'm listening to music right now. Let the good times roll. How appropriate. Let's go ahead and crank this baby open. Attack my sunglass visor. And well, thank you for watching this video if you've gotten this far. I think this is going to work out. If I can get this system to intercom with my Cena helmet, it's going to be pretty awesome. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.